Welcome to our guide on duplicating ChatGPT conversations. Let's dive into branching. This method allows you to explore multiple responses without losing any original content. Why branch? It enables you to navigate various outcomes easily. Start by identifying the key points in your conversation. This sets the stage for branching. Now, create duplicates. Use branching prompts to pose questions that lead to diverse user experiences. Keep the original intact. Adjust your approach as needed. Change the structure of your branches based on responses. Flexibility is key to maximizing engagement. Review and refine. Regularly assess your branches to ensure they align with your objectives. Make necessary adjustments for clearer conversations. By following these steps, you can create nuanced conversations with ChatGPT while maintaining your original threads. Happy chatting! Remember, the key is not just duplicating but enhancing experiences. Each branch enriches the dialogue. Keep experimenting. Make use of tools available for managing conversations. Consider apps or plugins that assist in branching and organization. Engage your audience. Personalized conversations create connection and retention. Use feedback to tailor your approach. Don't hesitate to reach out to communities for tips and best practices. Sharing experiences enhances growth. Finally, stay updated with ChatGPT developments. Continuous learning ensures you leverage the best features. Thank you for watching. Implement these tactics to maximize your ChatGPT conversations today.